I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: battery 20%, Wi-Fi on, and a recent backup so you don't lose data. Once ready, make sure you know the device model and your lock PIN or password because some fixes require authentication. Now reboot into normal mode first. Press and hold power, tap restart. If the phone boots to emergency mode again, you'll proceed to recovery. This is needed to clear system issues that trigger emergency-only behavior. You enter recovery, power plus volume up or the model-specific combo until the recovery menu appears. Once there, select Wipe Cache Partition. This removes temporary files that often cause emergency mode without touching your data. Make sure to wait for completion and then reboot. If the device still boots to emergency mode, you will need to perform a factory reset. Do that only after you've backed up everything, because it erases user data and often resolves deeper system faults. You finish by reconfiguring the phone. Insert SIM, sign in, and verify carrier and APN settings so calls and data function normally. Once setup completes, update the system and apps to prevent recurrence. If emergency mode persists despite a factory reset, consider reflashing official firmware using Vivo's tools or visiting an authorized service center. This addresses corrupted system partitions. One troubleshooting tip: try a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.